Guys, we're doing pasta carbonara without the cream. Simple, delicious, packed with flavour. No time for gibberish. Let's just get straight into it. Hot water, olive oil, touch of salt. Not too much salt because the smoky bacon's really salty. And straight in with your pasta. And just swerve your pasta about a little bit. Right, that pasta is going to take about 7 minutes till it's perfectly al dente. That gives us about 6 minutes to get our sauce ready. Right, let's do this. Right guys, I'm going to start with our bacon. Now I've got this beautiful smoky bacon. Now if you're making carbonara, you can't skimp on the bacon. You have to go for good quality bacon. And typically you want 2 rashes per person. So I'm making this pasta for just myself. So 2 rashes plus 1 for a garnish. So if you're making this for 2 people, you need 4 rashes plus 1 for garnish, so 5 in total, if that makes sense. Right, let's just get straight into it. So I'm just gonna slice this up into thin slices, and that fatty bacon is just going to crisp up and create the most amazing flavour and sauce. It's outstanding, perfect. Now what we've got here is a dry pan. I'm just going to give it a touch of olive oil just to get it going. Now that pan is currently still heating up. It's not heated yet, which is exactly what you want. Just place your bacon in and just let it get nice and crispy. You don't want it to go into a really hot pan. You want it to kind of like render out some of that fat, so heat up slowly. Right, we're just going to let this bacon do its thing, right, for a few moments. Right, and while our bacon is doing its thing, you're going to go with a good hit of pepper, like a very, very good hit of pepper, because that's what this carbonara is all about. And we're going to get a garlic clove, smash it, and just throw it in there, and just let it infuse that flavour. Let the fat just render out with the pepper and the bacon and the garlic for a few moments till it gets nice and crispy. Right, while our bacon is doing its thing, we're just going to get our egg ready. Right, you go in 1 egg and then you just grate your beautiful Parmesan cheese into that egg. Some people use cream. I don't mind using cream. It's just that today I'm going for a more traditional recipe. Doesn't do cream. Some people are like, carbonara is a bit controversial. Some people like get really pissed off if you use cream or anything like that. Just relax, man, whatever tastes good, right? So that's my egg and my Parmesan whipped up together, and that's ready to go into the dish when my pasta's in there. Right, let's check up on our bacon. Looking good. Let it crisp up nicely. Right, my bacon's done and my pasta's ready to go in. I'm just going to remove some of this bacon now, just for a garnish for later. So just like a little bit of bacon, and that's just going to act as my garnish. Just going to set that to one side. Right, let's remove this garlic and this garlic peel. That's done its job now, it's perfect. And we're going to go straight in with our hot pasta. Wonderful. And we've got a little bit of that pasta water, starchy water, that goes in as well, and that just cools everything down. And we just mix everything together, and then once we're satisfied that the pan has stopped sizzling, right, so now the pan's cooled down, it's got a bit of that starchy water in it, it's no longer sizzling. We can now go in and add our egg mixture. And we're just going to go in with our cheesy egg whipped up mixture. We just go in and stir this together, and that's going to create this beautiful creaminess. So you just got to move it about, and that looks perfect to me. Something sexy about carbonara. It's so simple and so delicious. Beautiful. So we're almost ready to plate up. Let's go straight in. Okay, and I'm just going to go straight in with our beautiful, sexy carbonara. Would you look at that? Right, and we've got our crispy bacon from earlier, which we removed from the pan, and we're just going to sprinkle that over the top. And you have to go in with another sprinkling of pepper. It has to be done. And finally, another sprinkling of Parmesan. Guys, that is my perfect pasta carbonara without any cream. Beautiful. Right, I'm so hungry, I can't wait to get stuck into this. It smells amazing. Before I do, guys, can I just say, if you're enjoying my content, if you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and if there's any particular recipe you want me to try, then put it in the comments below and I'll try my best to do that for you. Right, enough talking, let's get straight in. Guys, thanks for watching this video. That was an amazing carbonara pasta. The rich, smoky, salty bacon, the pepperiness, the al dente pasta, and the rich creaminess of that cheese. Outstanding, really enjoyed that. Guys, that wasn't just delicious. That was absolutely effing delicious. So good.